I don't get this quadratic formula stuff.
How do we even math?
I wish there was some way to remember this.
5, 6, 7, 8.
b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a.
Letters.
Well, it's a way to solve quadratic equations.
Which are?
6, 7, 8. ax squared plus bx plus c.
It's how all quadratic equations are written.
And what if we don't like the quadratic formula?
There are other ways to solve these equations.
Which are?
Completing the square, z substitution, and just plain old factoring.
How does one complete a square?
Both sides.
Then you divide the b term by 2 and square it.
Then add both sides in plain old factor.
This looks pretty hard.
No worries, man. Only use it if b is even.
But this b is 7.
Then use the quadratic formula.
I don't like the quadratic formula.
Then plain old
It
factor.
is.
Remember the formula?
If
It's
it-
b squared minus 4ac.
If it's negative.
The roots are imaginary.
If it's positive, if it's a positive perfect square.
The roots are rational.
If it's not a perfect square.
The roots.
What's this root 5 thing?
And that is when you use z substitution.
Sie what?
Just substitute z for all the randomness and then solve.
What randomness?
The root 5 stuff.
So z squared plus z plus 6 equals 0?
Yep.
So that makes 12, right?
Mark, your pH is 12 because you basic.
Oh! Did you go to 2 in a math in elementary school? Because you basic.
Oh! That's bullying. But at least now I know how to quadratic formula.
And there was much rejoicing.